Hello everyone, welcome to Gurudev Academy, Dharwad. In the today's session, let's continue to solve SSLC model question paper 2025. I hope you are preparing well for the annual examinations. Let's begin with the next question. So, the question given is, yes, we have a question over here. Prove that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Hence, two triangles are similar, right? So, let us understand what he has given in the problem. Okay, what are the given things? Given the triangle ABC, comma, the triangle PQR, the two triangles corresponding angles are equal. Okay, in these two triangles, let me consider the triangle this is triangle 1, then there is another triangle 2. Okay. Okay. So, please try to understand. We have triangle 1 over here. This is another triangle. Okay. Let me make little bit of difference. Done. So, you have got two triangles. Okay. Done. So, let me consider the first triangle as A, B, C, the second triangle as P, Q, R. So, what has given? If the corresponding angles are equal, what do you mean by that? Corresponding angle means I can consider angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, right? Right? Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. If the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What we have to prove? What we have to prove? What we have to prove? To prove corresponding sides, isn't it? The corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What do you mean by corresponding sides? Angle A opposite BC, angle P opposite QR, angle B opposite AC, angle Q opposite PR, angle C opposite AB, angle R opposite PQ. This is what we have to prove. Clear? So, to prove this, I am just taking a small construction, draw LM parallel to QR. Okay. So, please observe, I am taking a line which is parallel to QR like this. Okay. So, this is LM which is parallel to QR. Okay. Now, let us continue the proof. Let us continue the proof. So, in the proof, in triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, and the triangle LMP, we had P, okay, LMP, that is smaller triangle. I hope you can visualize it. There it is, LMP, done. So, don't you think angle A is equal to angle P, right? And this, when LM is parallel to QR, I think we will be having the AB must be equal to PL or LP, and AC must be equal to PM or MP. Hence, by using SAS postulate, therefore, by SAS postulate, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle LMP, which implies, see that we have angle L over here and angle Q over here. Are they equal? Right? Can you observe that? Are they equal? Angle L and angle Q, are they equal? Why? Right? Why? Angle L is equal to, implies the angle PLM must be equal to the angle PQR. Why? Corresponding angles. Isn't it? It means what? Corresponding angles. This implies LM is okay, instead of this I can say that I'll just take another diagram over here. Okay, you know that. Okay, suppose if you have two lines and a line is intersecting both the lines at two different points, so it forms corresponding angles, right? So these two lines are parallel in nature, hence this yellow color line is called a transverse line, isn't it? Transverse line. Similarly, if you observe carefully here, in this diagram also LM and QR are parallel in nature. PQ is intersecting two lines, hence PQ is called as transverse line. Therefore, PQ is transverse line. Therefore, what we can conclude? So, what we can conclude? This angle L is equal to angle Q and angle M is equal to angle R, isn't it? Therefore, what I can say is PL divided by LQ must be equal to PM divided by MR, right? And LM divided by QR, right? PQ is transfer line. Therefore, PL divided by PQ must be equal to PM divided by PR must be equal to LM divided by QR, which in terms implies PL is nothing but what? AB divided by PQ equal to PM AC divided by PR must be equal to, the third case is BC divided by QR, isn't it? This is what the proof, that this implies that given two triangles are similar, isn't it? Please observe. AB divided by PQ, here we have AB divided by PQ, AC divided by PR, BC divided by QR. See, we have that proof. Hence, we shown that if given two triangles with corresponding angles are equal, then the sides are in the same proportion. Clear? I hope you understood this. Therefore, let's go for the next question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and the radius of its base is 3.5 centimeter, then find the total surface area of the article. So, let us understand what we have. Let me consider. First, a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. Height is defined. Let me consider h is equal to height. H is equal to height. What is height is equal to 10 centimeter. And the radius of its base is, let me take r is equal to radius. Radius of its base is 3.5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area. We need surface area of cylinder. Cylinder. What is surface area of the cylinder? Is it 2 pi r h? Isn't it? The surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. And what is surface area of hemisphere? Hemisphere. It will be 2 pi r square, right? Right? Now, what they have asked is total surface area. What is total surface area is equal to surface area of the cylinder plus surface area of the hemisphere is the question. Clear? Clear? So, let me understand the solution now. So, what happens is, suppose if you want to find the cylinder, surface area of the cylinder, okay, surface area of the cylinder. Therefore, surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r, what is the radius here? 3.5. And what is height? What is height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter. Okay. So, what we will get? 7 on the 7, 0.5. Okay. 0.5 10 is 5. So, 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 5. It will become 220. That is surface area, centimeter square. What is surface area of hemisphere? Hemisphere. So, there are two hemispheres. If you observe carefully, there are two hemispheres. So, I will take 2 times of 2 pi r square. So, what should be your answer? 4 pi. Pi means what? 22 by 7. What is r value? 3.5. 3.5 square. 3.5 square. Okay. Therefore, what will be the final answer? So, let me consider 3.5 into 3.5 should be equals to 12.5. So, 4 into 22 into 12.25 divided by 7. So, into 22 into 4, sorry, 1 second, 4 into 22 into 12.25 and 4 into 22 into 12.25 equals to divided by 7 is equal to 154 centimeter square. Therefore, total surface area is equal to 220 centimeter square plus 154 centimeter square. Together it will become 3 374 centimeter square is the right answer. Clear? 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 So, what is the total surface area? 220 plus 154, that is 374 centimeter square is the right answer for this question. Clear? I hope you understood this. Yes, this is the proof, this is the solution of the given problem. We will go for next one. This was actually our question, it is either of them, our question. Okay. A juice seller was serving his customers using a glass as shown in the figure. The inner diameter of the cylinder glass was 5 centimeter. So, inner diameter is this particular length is how much? 5 centimeter. Okay. But the bottom glass had a hemispherical raised portion which reduced the capacity of the glass. If the height of the glass was 10 centimeter, what was the height? The height is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Then find the apparent capacity of the glass and its actual capacity. Okay. What do you mean by actual capacity? Let us understand that. Solution. So, again we have cylinder here. So, let me consider R is equal to, what is R is equal to? If diameter is 5 centimeter, radius will be half of that. Is it equal to 2.5 centimeter? So, R means what? Radius. And what is height? Height is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. And the question is the capacity of the glass. When I say capacity of the glass, are we talking about volume of the cylinder? Yes, the volume of the cylinder. Volume. What is volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h is the question. This is what the actual capacity of the glass, right, which can hold the juice, isn't it? So, let me calculate first actual capacity. So, let me go on substituting the values. Okay. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi 22 by 7 into r square 2.5 whole square into h height, right. This they have already given 3.14 into this is 25 square, that is 625, that becomes 6.25 into 10. So, what should be my answer? What should be my answer? Let me take once again the help of calculator. So, here you can observe 3.14 into 6.25 into 10 should be equal to 196. Please note 196.25 centimeter cube, which is actual capacity, that is actual capacity of the glass is 196.25 centimeter cube, right. Now, you have to understand the apparent capacity. What do you mean by apparent capacity? See that this glass is having some hemisphere scooped in the bottom. It means what? In the total volume, I have to subtract this volume of the hemisphere. Therefore, let me consider the apparent capacity. Therefore, apparent capacity is equals to volume of cylinder minus the volume of hemisphere. Let me substitute the value. This we have already calculated. 196.25 minus what is volume of the hemisphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube, but here it will become hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube, that equals to 196.25 minus of 2 by 3 into 3.14 into What was the radius? Radius was 2.5. 2.5 to the power 3. So again, let me calculate. Yes. 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. What we get is 15.625. Okay. 196.25 minus 2 by 3 into 3.14 into 15.625. Done. Then multiply by, this is multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 2 and divided by 3 should be equal to 32. 196.25 minus 32.70 I can consider. Therefore, 196.25 minus 32.70 must be equal to 163.55 centimeter cube is the apparent capacity of the glass, right, with the condition that volume of the hemisphere you have to subtract. Clear? I hope you understood this. The actual capacity is 196.25 centimeter cube. The apparent capacity is 163.55 centimeter cube. Clear? Right. Let's begin with the next one. The next question is, if AB and RQ are two vertical towers standing on a level ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point P on the same ground and from the foot of the tower QR are 30 degree as shown in the figure. PQ is equal to 24 meter, AR is equal to 13 meter. Then find the heights of the towers of the AB and QR. Also find length of AP. Okay. So let's look at the solution. So let me consider first in the triangle P Q R. Okay. What is tan 30 degree is equal to? Tan 30 degree is equal to, that is opposite upon adjacent, right, which is, what is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. QR, yes, we are interested in finding. PQ, they have already given 24. Therefore, what is QR is equal to? QR is equal to 24 upon root 3 or 8 into 3 divided by root 3. After cancellation, you will get 8 root 3. Done. Which is equal to, what is the value of root 3? 1.7. So that becomes 13.6. It is in terms of meters. Therefore, what is QR is equal to 13.6 meters. So QR will become 13.6 meters. Done. QR find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. Now you have to take care of AB. To find AB, again I am using another triangle. Before that, let me take a small concept over here. Please observe. In triangle A P Q, A P Q, AP is equal to AQ, AP is equal to AQ, and also angle P is equal to angle, in particular the angle APQ is equal to angle AQP, right, and AB is perpendicular to PQ, right. This implies APQ is an isosceles triangle and AB divides PQ in equal parts. Therefore, this implies BP plus equal, first equal ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ, BP or PB is equal to BQ, right? They have given that PQ is equal to 24 meter, then both of these quantities must be equals to 12 meters, must be equal to 12 meters. Therefore, what will be this part? 12 meters. This is also 12 meters. Clear? I hope you understood this. Now I will take care of 12, 12, 13.6. Please note 12, 12, 13.6. I'll write here 12, 12, 12. This we have calculated as 13.6. Now question is to how to find AB. To find AB, I'll take a help of in the triangle ABP. ABP. What is tan 30 degree is equal to? Tan 30 degrees once again AB divided by PB or BP, whichever you take. What is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. AB we have to calculate. BP is how much? 12. Therefore, what is AB is equal to 12 divided by root 3, or else I can also write it as 4 into root 3. I hope you understood. AB is equal to, what is root 3? 4 into 1.7. Is it equal to 6.8 meter? Absolutely right. Right? AB is equal to 6.8. Clear? So, AB gottaitu 6.8. Now you have to take care of AP. Last one is AP. How will you find AP? To find AP in the triangle ABP, let me define sine 30 degree. What is sine 30 degree? Opposite by hypotenuse. Implies, what is sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. AB we have calculated 6.8. AP we want to. This implies AP is equal to 2 into 6.8, 13.6 meters. So that is how we will calculate AP length, right? So AP nu find out madadanga right? 13.6 meters. Clear? I hope you have understood the solution. That's all for the day. In the next session, I'll continue with model question paper 2. Right? Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.